हेलो गाइस। तो क्या हाल हैं आपके। आज मैं रिव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ कस्टम फर्मवेयर का कि आप अपने फ़ोन में नोकिया सिम्बियन फ़ोन में हाउ टू फ्लैश कस्टम फर्मवेयर एंड देन हाउ टू यूज़ इट नाउ। एज यू कैन सी आई डाउनलोडेड कस्टम फर्मवेयर black mode version 3.0 by ice game. So I am gonna do this right now, how to flash a custom firmware on a Nokia Symbian, any device Symbian phone like Nokia N8, Nokia E7, Nokia C7, something like else. And it is a Nokia 808 PureView and it's running on also custom firmware. Uh, but I but I just now flash another custom firmware in this phone. As you can see, Nokia Bell FP2 by it is a Russian guy. And now I'm gonna flash a custom firmware by black mode. It is a very good custom firmware. As you can now I'm gonna yeah black mode, yeah, that is black mode. Now I'm gonna extract, yeah, it's extracted by tool. Now as you can see black mode, and here's the files. You need to download this file for flashing custom firmware, and I'm gonna use my laptop is on Windows 10. So if you have in your PC Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 7, so I'm gonna use Nokia Infinity Best. That's here. Now I'm gonna flash, yeah, that's open the tool, and it's automatically detect my device Nokia 808 PureView. As you can see, if you can see, then read info, then yeah, it's automatically detect my device because I am connected my device with USB cable and my device is on. Now now first of all, you can select your data package path where you download the firmware file. My firmware file is on my like black mode. As you can see, I'm gonna select black mode version 3.0 by ice game. Now go on flashing tab and select RM. Nokia 808 have 807 RM number. So now I'm gonna select Nokia RM807, yes, and I'm gonna select manually and use INI. Now MCU. Now you can select PRD file, and then you can select PP1. It shows. Then you can select PP. Yeah. Now, now ROS 3, and now UDA. Okay. Now, because my phone is in on state, if your phone is in dead mode and your phone have a software issue, then you can select dead mode. But my phone is turned on, then I'm select downgrade. But it's not downgrade the firmware. It's still on it, have same number. Now select downgrade and select full flash. Now flash. As you can see, my phone is on, and here now I will see a pop-up downgrade, just kill your phone, continue flashing. Yes, I will tap on yes. Now yes, now reboot my phone. As you can see, now the flashing is turning on. Yeah. Now the black mode version 3.0 is the latest firmware by Ice Game. It is very optimized firmware for Nokia 808 PureView, and it enhances the camera performance of your phone. So you can use it, and you can just flash it and use it this ROM, and let me know. So it's just write the last file. It's called uda.fpsx. It's very huge file. Now my phone just flashing. As you can see, I'm using Infinity Best version 2.29, and now rebooting my phone. As you can see, on on local mode, and now my phone is turning on. So yeah, it will take some time for boot up. It because after flashing its first boot up, that's why it take a lot 1 to 2 minutes. If you have a backup of your phone, then you can restore easily. I have backup in my memory card. I know this video is too long. As you can see, delight bell, it is a black mode, yo. So I you can see a pop-up. It's choose for language. I select English. No, yes or no. Okay, yes. Okay, now take off the data cable. Now it will again boot up. I know it's video take too long time, but it's worthy for you, and it is knowledge for you. Yeah, that's the custom firmware, and it is my phone Nokia 808 Pure View. Yeah, I think my camera have some focus issue. You, as you can see, network also. Yeah. So I'm gonna just check my phone info. Yeah, as you can see, Nokia Bell Future Pack 2 modification by Black Mode version 3.0, modification author Ice Game, and it is very good firmware for Nokia 808 Pure View. So I'm gonna just quick review of this firmware. It has a Russian keyboard numbering, also have in English, and camera. Firstly, I'm just go for the camera. I think it first booted, then camera takes. Yeah, it just goes start up. Oh, and I have also Lumia 1020 also in black color. Yeah, so I just click the pictures. Oh wow, as you can see the details of my Lumia 1020, and it is a oh, it's a 12 MP photo. Yeah, it's a 12 MP photo. Sharpness as yeah, sharpness as maximum. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so now I just take another photo. Wow, now as you can see the details. Yeah, that's right. How the focus and how the sharpness, how the sharp the photo is. Okay, now just check another things. Yeah, files. It's a file explorer, music. Okay, stop. I think it just because first boot up, then refreshing library it must. Okay, go back, go to settings. 1 minute. Okay, it's take this time. Yeah, setting, phone management, and also Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. And if you have backup in your memory card, then you can easily restore. Just wait, I'm gonna show you. I have backup in my memory card. Yeah, backup. Then I will restore. I take all the things back and restore selected content. Then yes, take yes, and then it take some minute. Yeah, preparing for restore is started, as you can see, and it just take. Now I'm gonna cut my software. Now that's my Lumia 1020 also. I have Lumia 1020 also. Okay, thanks. Now, and yeah, and restoring is started. Avoid, and it show me avoid using other applications during restoring operations. So I think it take about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm also provide the download link in the description of the box. So download the black mode version 3.0 by Ice Game and flash it and use it into your Nokia 808 PureView. It is awesome. Oh, I think dial pads also don't work because the restoring at the restoring time. And sorry for my bad English. Thank you for watching my video.